So over here you can see that I have some video clips over here, and if I were to go around and press the play button, you can see that this is what I have. So there's the video right here, and there are certain editings applied to it. But if you really want to view a good preview of the video, then what you can do is you can go around onto the beginning and then click on this button right here, which says full screen right here. And as you do that, you can see that now you can really view everything full screen. And you can go around over here, go back right here, one frame by frame right here, as you can see, or go forward, as you can see right here, to scrub around precisely onto the video clip. So if I were to go around and press the play button, this is what you see. So if you want to exit out of the full screen, then you can click on the exit full screen button right here, and the full screen exits, as you can see right here. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go around and then work around with aspect ratio. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can remove out the black bars right here and then shrink to fit. But if I want to change around the aspect ratio of the video itself, you can go around over here onto the option, and here you can see that there's aspect ratio, which is set to 16:9 by default. So you can just go around and change it to 4:3 if you wish, as you can see right here. So now it is 4:3 in aspect ratio, the video right here, as you can see, but everything is cropped off. So what you can do is you can go around into the option and remove out the black bars so that it adjusts itself to the new aspect ratio automatically, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, go and then choose make portrait. So everything is now portrait, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can also edit out video in portrait mode, as you can see right there. And once you're happy with the results, I'm just going to go around over here and then change this to landscape right here. And if you want to export out a video itself from what you edited, then you can go around over here onto the top and click on finish video. And once you do that, over here you can see that right now it says that video quality is 1080. So you can choose around the video quality that you wish, go around into more option, and you can use the hardware accelerated encoding for a faster encoding speed over here as well. So once you click on export, what happens is that it opens up the Explorer window. So you can go around and choose where you want to save the video and click on export. And what happens is that the video file gets exported out. So it's saving, as you can see right here. So this might take some time depending on the number of clips you have on your storyboard area right here, and also depending on your speed of computer. So after it is exported out, the video file will be generated. So now it has been exported. So if I were to go around right here, you can see that the video file has been opened up. You can see the video file right here, double click and it opens up right here, as you can see. And this is the video file which has been edited out and has been exported as a single video file. So that is how you can view the edited clips in full screen for preview and choose aspect ratio and export videos by choosing different quality as you wish inside of the video editor in Photos in Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.